Hello trader, looking at XAUUSD multi-time frame analysis to see where we can find potential trading opportunity in this instrument. As you can see that initially we have seen there was a significant bounce from this long-term support level. Currently the market in a deeper pullback. So is this a deeper pullback or another break below? So let's first look at bigger picture to see overall direction in this market, and then we will be looking back to the lower time frame to see where we can find trading opportunity. Now here is the monthly chart that we can see the monthly candle closed with a doji, and with this monthly doji formation this month, once the market opened in the beginning of the week, we saw there was a initial stronger bounce back to the upside. Currently the price is in that level where there is an important level of resistance from the monthly, and the price, after pushing back to the upside some part of this monthly long week candle, the price currently having a rejection back to the downside here on the monthly, and expecting that the price to potentially drop further. And what I think that now we may see, because the market managed to reach some part of this previous monthly week, and if we look at the opening, we see there is no retest of this support here. What I think, the price may try to drop again to retest that support before it push back to the upside, or breaking below to retest the lower shadow of this previous monthly candle. Now dropping down to the weekly chart to see, we can see that this is from the weekly, it's a sharply bull market. Here is a very sharp rejection to the upside with a stronger bullish engulfer followed by a narrower weekly candle. And what we can see here in this area, that the market after the weekly close from this support level, there is a sharp bounce back to the upside with a bigger stronger bullish candle. And from this resistance, currently the market is coming for potential deeper pullback here. So with that pullback, what we could see that XAUUSD to potentially come down further for deeper drop. And I think the price may, with the NFP, may come further for deeper liquidity gap before it push back to the upside in the major direction of the trend. So lower time frame, what I think we may see another rejection back towards the downside here. Now daily chart here on XAUUSD is in a consolidation in this long term uptrending market. Here is, we can see after this inverted head and shoulder, strong breakout, pullback, and here is the daily stronger rejection from this order block here, that we can see the price tested this order block, which is the previous resistance turn support here, made another bounce back to the upside. Previous daily candle was a full green body with a stronger volume in it, and as a result today we saw the market, after break of this high, it's now getting a rejection in that direction. So we may see now a potential retest of this neckline. We can see there is a double bottom formation on the daily here. We saw a big drop, pullback, another drop, stronger pullback. So from the double bottom, the market formed a neckline, which is an order block. And as the price is coming for a pullback, we may see now a potentially retest of this level as resistance, as a support, before it potentially push back again to create a new higher high here. Now looking at the intraday time frame, look at the 1 hour chart to see how the market is evolving here. Now in this lower time frame, here what we can see, that an uptrend, there was a consolidation here, a reversal pattern formation, and the market started to trend back to the upside. Now this 1 hour trend that we can see has an impulse correction. Now we see here a breakup structure in that zone from the 1 hour. Now here we may try to see some attempt from the buyers. What I think, that the market may consolidate in that area, and if we see that a stronger rejection, we could see the market to come down here to retest this neckline, which is turning support here, or even potentially break below further, that we could see during the NFP to potentially retest this weekly support level. So the bias here is potentially be bearish, but at the moment we can see it's moving in a sideway. For us to find an entry, would like to see the market has given enough price action confirmation along this area. As soon as we will find suitable entry for this potential drop, we will be looking for going short with a high probability trade setup. Traders, if you enjoy this education and analysis, make sure you give a thumbs up and also subscribe to the channel if you haven't done yet. Thank you, and I'll see you soon in my next analysis.